Good afternoon, you lovely people. Welcome back to the second edition of The Edge. I'm your host, Joe Broder.
And I'm your co-host, Jacqueline Van Bibber. Thanks for tuning in. Recently, AgriScience has their hands full preparing flowers for multiple weddings. Our Tyler Abbey has the story.
In agricultural science, students are busy preparing floral arrangements for a number of upcoming weddings this year. Their floral team prepares special decorations for the desired theme according to the bride. We asked a few students what their thoughts were on the upcoming projects and what the proper steps were when taking on these projects.
Like right now, we have a wedding going on. We start with the silk stuff and get that out of the way. And we have the flowers come in midweek, and the day or two before the wedding is when we work with the fresh flowers, so they will last longer.
Both first and second year students were all hands on deck working up until the day before the wedding to complete these arrangements. The final results will no doubt impress everyone attending.
Yeah, we work a lot together, so pretty much everything is a team activity, so we're good at it.
Yeah, we actually have a national competition coming up, and so this is actually helping us prepare and get ready for that competition. So in a way, working as a team and working with others is benefiting us and getting us more prepared.
When doing this project, the floral students get a lot of experience preparing flowers and learning about horticulture. The experience helps them in competition that comes further along in the year as well. Good job to all AgriScience students for their beautiful work. I'm Tyler Abbey, reporting for The Edge.
The marketing class has had some recent opportunities to gain some real-world experience in the marketing field. Rachel Petty is going to be giving us an inside scoop into the marketing leadership interviews.
Students in marketing were given the opportunity to run for the positions CEO, CFO, and CMO. They were interviewed by administrators to receive the position. We spoke to the CFO and CMO about their jobs.
The CFO is in charge of the accounting department, so I take care of all the financials for our company that we run.
CMO is Chief Marketing Officer, which means I overlook the sales and marketing and the design and IT department.
We also asked why they wanted to run for these positions.
I wanted the position of CFO because I planned to go into accounting or something in business, so I thought it would be a good experience for me.
What made me want this position was to be able to be a chief and work closer to the people higher up in our company.
These opportunities are helping the students in marketing for their future careers. This is Rachel Petty reporting for The Edge.
Every year, the construction trades class gets hands-on learning and has the exciting opportunity to build an entire house within the span of a school year. This project has been running for 9 to 10 years, and the 2018-2019 class has the opportunity to continue this tradition. Construction trades is now in the process of building the new house, which was starting at the beginning of the school year and should be completed before graduation. Despite the fact the house is still in its early stages, there's already a buyer. We asked some students from the class about how the process is going and what to expect in the upcoming months.
With the house right now, right now we just put in the floor joist in, and now we're building in the stair box to put in the stairs for the basement, and then hopefully soon we get to start putting the flooring down.
We hope to get the walls up before Thanksgiving, and then have it with the roofing done before Thanksgiving, so we can have like a Thanksgiving like breakfast thing or dinner.
For the most part, we all got our separate things to do. We all got our own little separate job, I guess you can say. We all got our personal assignment. There we go. That's what I was looking for.
Well, the results are in, folks. All your hard work and dedication is finally coming to fruition. Congratulations to the AM Health Sciences and PM AgriScience students. You're the winners of the Hoop Hoop contest.
But don't worry, there's still one pizza party left to announce. The attendance competition was extremely close for the entire month of September, but there were 2 classes that stood above the rest, AM Public Safety and PM Digital Media Arts. You're the winners! I know, shocking, especially since someone decided to get sick for an entire week.
How many times do I have to say that I'm sorry? It's not my fault that my immune system failed the class, okay?
Well, despite the odds being stacked against us, congratulations to all the winners, and you can expect a delicious pizza party coming your way. If you head back to collision repair, you might see a police car. Don't worry, no one is in trouble.
We'll tell you what they're up to when we get back from this short commercial break.
Groundlands College of Cosmetology is in search of customers for their high school students. Whether you're looking for a trim, dye, manicure, or whatever it may be, Grandin's will provide an excellent service and have you looking even more amazing than you did when you walked in. Service hours vary, so check the website for more information. Book your appointment at 810-664-6881, or if you're in a rush, walk-ins are welcome.
Most of the time when driving, we try to avoid police cars. Unfortunately, I've been pulled over not once, but twice in the last 2 weeks.
Whoa there, speed demon. Slow down.
It was just my taillights.
Sure it was. Sure it was. Well, back to the Edge. Students in collision repair were happy to see a police car in the shop. Our Lance Harnden shows us what they're doing with it.
Collision repair and the auto mechanic classes are teaming up for a new project. Emily City's police department is retiring a police car. The car will be repurposed for the police chief. He will use it for going to court dates and anything else the use of an official police car is unnecessary. It is a real privilege to work on a police car. It also helps to get students here at EdTech more involved with helping the community.
I have never personally worked on a police car. We did have an old, I think, state cop car that was donated many years ago, and we tore it apart last year. We're just making it, it's going to be all blacked out, and he's going to have custom headrest for the seats and all that.
Not many high school students are able to say they've worked on a police car, but now the collision repair students can say they even got to take it apart.
I don't know, definitely take the flashlight off. There's a lot of interior stuff in there, like the cage is already out, so that's a good thing. That'll make it look more civilian. Tires are probably bulletproof. But yeah, other than that, I don't know. It's a good experience, yeah, work on cop cars and community help, you know, help out Emily City, so that'll be fun.
The project will probably take a few weeks to complete, although we're excited for the results. Until then, I'm Lance Harnden, reporting for The Edge.
The Lapeer EdTech welding class had a visitor last week. Information scouts from Lincoln Tech came to the classroom and gave a presentation on the programs and opportunities offered at the technical school. From skilled trades, automotive, and vocational studies, Lincoln Tech offers certification in numerous fields of study. But whether passion is welding, engines, or cars, the school offers opportunities to excel in any trades career. To get more information, on the program, you can check out their website at lincolntech.edu or contact an admission scout of your own to learn for yourself if Lincoln Tech is the right place for you.
ITnet is participating in the Cyber Patriots competition again this year.
With competition closing in, tensions are rising. 2 teams are planning and practicing for this year's Cyber Patriots competition. So when it comes to competition, students say they are ready.
Cyber Patriot is an online, basically, where it's an online competition where there are many different people from many different schools that all compete in order to basically see who's the best at, who can keep a computer secure, and who can make it so that everything is basically working on the current computer that you're working on. You can go through servers, or you can go through Linux, or you can go through Windows 10.
Just giving us more insight about security issues and what could possibly go wrong if you're working as like an IT professional.
Pretty relaxed, because I feel like either we win or we don't. So.
Fall is here, the weather is colder, and the pumpkin spice is in the air. We asked some students what they like about fall.
Summer is officially over and fall is here. The leaves are changing. It's a great time to grow facial hair, and I got my pumpkin spice latte. We went around the EdTech building and asked students how they felt about the fall season.
I honestly probably prefer summer over fall. 1, you don't have school, and then 2, you can go swim in anything you want pretty much.
I prefer summer over fall because it's more nicer and you don't have school.
Some students are embracing the change.
My favorite part about fall is every year and during fall, new Call of Duty comes out. It makes my day, and it makes my year.
My favorite part about fall is probably like the colors and the leaves, being able to like rake them up into a big pile and just throw your little sister into it.
Some students are loving the pumpkin spice trend, but others are indifferent.
I feel like pumpkin spice is pretty good as long as it's not like too strong. I don't think it's overdone, honestly.
I think pumpkin spice is overrated.
Pumpkin spice is amazing. It's the best thing on this earth.
I just can't get enough of this pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. Not sponsored. How do you guys feel about fall? Let us know in the comment section down below. Reporting for The Edge, I'm Mark Moranek. Back to you in the studio.
That's all we have for this edition of The Edge.
Thanks for tuning in.
And don't forget to subscribe to all of our social media platforms at The Edge LC. And check out our new podcast, The Wave, on iTunes.
Stay classy, EdTech.